Hello guys, welcome back. Today's topic for learning is macros. Let's get on with the topic. Coming up next is I would need your suggestions. Please WhatsApp me whatever you need to learn. Let's start with macro. So what are macros? So macros are nothing but is repetitive tasks you need to do in your Excel files provided your structure of the file remains the same. Like here in this case, I have a data which it starts from column A to column F. It's a transaction of my sales for various states, quantity, net, and rate. I want to do some calculations and some formatting repeatedly every month or say every week or every day. In this case, how I would do is I would record my steps and that can be run with a macro in a split of a second. So how to record it? You need to activate your developer tab, which is here. In this, you have to go to record macro. It will ask you a name. You can write the name, whatever you want, except should not have space. So I should just writing sales. I just want to run this in this workbook. So I would say okay. Now you can see it has started recording my steps. And now it has activated as you can see stop recording. So whenever I stop, it will record all the transaction till I press stop. Now let's start. I'll just do click on A1. I want to now write calculate taxes. So I'll just say in G column say tax. I'll just have the formula of net multiply by tax rate percentage. That's my tax. Now I want the total of the invoice. I would say total addition of net plus taxes. I want to say copy. So I have just copied. I want to format this. So I'll just say I want to have my currency also in my amounts. So I say just select column E, column G, and column H. I'll go to home. Just accounting as my currency is Indian rupees. I just want to format this. I'll just select the whole data. I'll say just change font to some other font, say Century Gothic. I want to have an entire table with borders. I just want to have change background and a color. I would say just bold and say this is my final report. This is how it should look every time I want to, every month. I'll just go and stop my recording. Now we did some 4-5 steps and this is the new format of our data. Now suppose we want to repeat this every month. So quickly we'll do that. I'll just create a copy of the sheet. You can just press Ctrl and drag it. It will create a copy. So say this is our format. We'll just restore our data to original format. We'll delete tax rates. We'll just remove the formats. We'll go here, clear formats. So it's like an original data which we had. Save dates. We'll just keep date as short date. Now remember we have a macro already recorded. So we'll just run that and we'll see whether it works out or not. So shortcut is Alt F8 or you can go to developer macros. You will see your macro sales and just run it. As you can see, all our steps, it has replicated on the data and given us the result in a split of a second. You can record your macros, whatever you need, whatever you do on every day or even maybe month, and save your time. Thank you.